Welcome back. We are doing today begins the lean stream. So I guess in some sense this has now become a gaming channel. So maybe I should be putting this on Twitch, because technically we're gaming mathematics now. So yeah, we're gonna start off. We're gonna start playing the real analysis game. And yeah, what else is there to say? We're gonna learn how to lean together. I just reinstated my p-adic hat campaign, so if you did want to order one, you can do that again now. Hello, Kostaka Corey. Lean stream. Yes, indeed. That is what we're doing. It's the future of math, baby. It is the future of math. So, time to get in line with the future. All at once. Okay. So, well, let's go post this. Let's go tell Twitter about it. Boom. Sent collab link. Okay, sweet. I will go click on that in the near future. Real analysis game. Let's go. The story of real analysis. Wow, there's a lot of chapters. Am I really going to play through all of this on stream? I don't know. You got lean? As in you lost weight? Or you downloaded lean? Big fan of Patrick Massett's Glimpses of Lean. Okay, check that out after the natural language game? Natural language game? You hope they will start to push more into EGDA and proof assistant used more in constructive mathematics? It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Yeah, I mean, not... People do, people just like non-constructive mathematics. That's just the way it is. I mean, I'm partial to constructivism, but... I'm partial to constructivism, but I just don't think it's a realistic thing to happen. People love doing non-constructive math. So you can't tell people what to want. You do PE bachelor's? Oh, thanks. I'm so glad that you love my channel. I don't know what a PE bachelor's is, though. Physical engineering or something? These nuts, Leo. Yeah, new saga. That's right. We got a new saga. I'm playing a different game. Yeah, natural number game. Natural number game is the one you're thinking of, Boris. That you disagree with parts of Fight Part 3? Oh, is there a comment on that video from Rod? I'll have to check it out. Nobody cares about EGDA, even the big dogs of formal math. I don't know. EGDA is like a growing community. But, yeah. Galois correspondence and intuitionist logic. That sounds cool. Okay, you may want to pull the leftmost slider all the way to the right. Okay. What follows is a discussion between Socrates and Simplicio, which hopefully explains everything. Ooh, I like the Socratic dialogue. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have made this a collab and had someone play Simplicio. And of course, I would be Socrates. Obviously, I would be Socrates, guys. What is real analysis? Oh, it's just calculus, but done right. Huh? Why does calculus need a new name? What's wrong with it? Well, nothing really. Quick, what's a derivative? Easy. If I have a function f from r to r and is differentiable at x, then the derivative is the limit as h goes to 0 of f at x plus h minus f of x over h. This represents the instantaneous slope of the graph of the function y equals f of x at the point x fx. Very good. And tell me, what is an integral? Well, that's easy too. If you want to integrate a function along an interval a to b, say you pretend that you have infinitely many infinitely small rectangles, work out their areas as base times height and add them up, then the integral, is just this limit. Actually, that's not. That's false. Boo. That's wrong. Boo. What does it mean to? What does it mean to take a limit? What does it mean to take a limit of these things? Well, I guess you could call it a sequence here. That's true. But we like our Riemann-Stieltjes here. Great. And what are the two fundamental theorems of calculus? Wow, this dialogue goes on for. I'm not going to do this whole thing. It was fun for a couple minutes. The minor disagreement is not knowing when you've proved something about the category of sets. Lots of times you just have a first order statement and you can totally prove it. Okay. Hello, head empty set. You got mugged hard for preferring Egda. Hey, I mean, I don't think you should have gotten mugged hard as you did by the other people in chat. I don't think that should have happened. But yeah, I don't know. I just don't think it's realistic to expect that EGDA and constructive math will undergo mass adoption. But certainly for certain areas, become a devout Leo Lectures follower. We'll see. You're cornered at a party by K. Yeah. Dialogue are chopped. Give you Wittgenstein, Spinoza, or give you death. I don't know, man. I don't know. The Socratic dialogue is great. I've thought about making videos purposely that are just a Socratic dialogue. Yeah. IGDA is just better than lean. Us category theory nerds stopped feeling special, so we started basing our superiority complex on even less practical proof assistant. Damn, Rod's coming in with the truth bombs here. In the Agora, average conversation in the Agora. I don't know the I don't know enough philosophy to get the reference, unfortunately. Oh, head empty set. You're Luna. Luna from like the set theory Discord and stuff. Okay. You're for it because you like disagreeing with others. Nice. You've never even ever installed it? Never even ever. Never even ever have I. Okay, what are we doing here? Boom, we got to prove this. Boom, we use H. So what do we write? We write apply H. I think exact H should work, right? Boom, level complete. Hell yeah. We are on a roll, gang. Terms, right? Yeah. Okay, so here's our objects. Whoa, that's kind of hard to read, I'll be honest though. I wish that had compiled nicer. I really wish that had compiled nicer. But I think we can just referel this because it's the same statement on either side, right? Can we just do a referel? Boom. Boom. Maybe I should explain that to some of the new viewers. So let's explain something that, yeah. So in type theory, I guess the idea is that this statement, I'll just write a simplified version of this. This statement, this is a proposition. This is a proposition itself, right? And in this world, propositions are themselves types. So it's imagine like you had this world of set theory. everything's a set, but then even your statements are sets in a sense. That's just like by analogy. But instead they're called types and they behave by like slightly different rules. And in order, if you have a type, right? So we say that, little p is a term of type p. And in order to prove a proposition of type P, you have to supply an element of it. You have to show that it's inhabited. And so for any sort of like tautological identity, any sort of statement of like A equals A, there's always, well, there's the reflection, there's REFL, the sort of REFL type. And that is the term that you can always provide to prove something that's like a tautological identity. Maybe you're also more into functional programming, so you like writing proofs in that style, as opposed to tactics. Oh, how is it different? I didn't realize that it was different in that it didn't use tactics and stuff. Interesting. Maybe I should look into EGDA at some point. Open to try other proof assistants soon? Well, you get in on the natural number game, or the real analysis game, or the natural number game. You would defo subscribe if I got him on. Well, how hard do I want to fight for one more subscriber? But yeah, one of these days I should get him on, I guess. The main reason you lean towards EGDA is for hot. Yeah, I mean that's fair. Native and computational hits in cubicle EGDA. I don't know what that is, to be honest. In ZFC, the statements aren't sets. Yes, I agree. That's why type theory is better. Hello, Locke. Merry Christmas. Classes over. Oh, you're just saying classes are over? Well, elementary school is not closed, but it is closed here today in Winnipeg because of such a severe snowstorm. REFL is for reflexivity, not reflection. Oh yeah, sorry, reflexivity. Yeah. Anyways, let's move on to the next level. Right. So what do we do here? So we have our assumption, right? We call Bob. And right, we have a rewrite. Is it rewrite Bob? Is that what we do? No. Identifier expected. Right. Oh, rewrite. Do we have to write out the whole... Wait, do we have to write out... We can't just pop in an RW? Rewrite isn't just RW? What? Man, I remember like many years ago when I was doing like Lean 3, I'm pretty sure you could just pop in an RW. Here in Winnipeg, I am in Winnipeg. Yeah. Thomas Olson. Why are you in Winnipeg, Thomas Olson? Yeah. Bob X equals 2. That is so Bob. Yeah. Why is the assumption named Bob? Because it doesn't matter. The assumption could be written as anything. I mean, probably in practice you're not going to call it Bob, but it's just like funny. After your rewrite, you're not done, but you should know how to finish from there. Oh, I see. It wants us to put in both steps, and then we hit it with a REFL. Boom, boom, boom. We're flying through this. We are the smartest. Oh, I better put this to live chat. I'm probably missing comments. Okay, it's actually getting kind of hot, to be honest. Let me go get a shirt. Yeah, frozen tundra outside. Oh, it's a little toasty inside. TBH. It is kind of getting hot. That is true, Lord Licks. Yeah. Could I have just popped in an RW, Bob? Maybe. But the side panel said I had to type out rewrite. Can I show what some probability theorems about distributions look like? You don't actually know in Lean? No, I can't, unfortunately. I'm doing the basic baby stuff right now, and I don't know. I don't know if we'll play through the whole analysis game together, but maybe once we do enough of this. It's getting hot indoors, Mikhail. It's getting hot indoors. It is deadly outside. But yeah, eventually I'll like in the series I'll download Lean properly on my computer, and then who knows what we'll do. Who's slandering analysis? Who's slandering analysis? No one better be. Oh, Leo Lecture's probability isn't real. It either happens or it don't. Yes, that is true. That is true. Yeah. Yeah. Anywho, let's keep proving, yo. Let's keep proving. You know, there's a mathlib/probability directory. Yeah, I don't know. Why do you get into Lean anyway? Why not? I mean, reason number one, this is what people voted for me to do. Reason number two, it's the future of math. Those are pretty good reasons. What else do you need? Fortunately, Lean has a powerful tactic called ring NF. Ring normal form that can automatically perform algebraic manipulations. Right. Okay. Do I just drop it? Boom. Do I just drop it? No. Okay. So the tactic ring is not available in this game. What are you talking about? Did I type something wrong? Ring NF. Oh, okay. I just typed something wrong. Blog post introducing probability in MathLib. Nice. Fucking MathLib's at it again. Yeah. Yeah. When are we gonna get MathCon? Huh? When are we gonna get the MathCons? That's only fair. You think there was a cool thing in the expansion of E with binomials? Might be probability stuff. The n factorial in the denominator gets canceled by the n in the binomial expansions. I'm not sure exactly what you're referring to, but there could be, there could be freaky stuff going on there. Yeah. You watched this stream and you wonder why Elliot resisted defining total functions? You mean the definition is trivial, but the philosophy is deep. Without CS theory, it's opaque. Well, maybe we need to have you on for a discussion, Nikolai. Try some distributivity tactic. That's probably coming up. Well, I think the point is Lean's got some like overpowered, like I think there is a tactic called simp. At least there was back when in an older version of Lean that I was looking, and you could literally just hit anything you wanted with simp and it would do the job. Yeah. Outcome set as omega is pretty artificial. You're artificial. Oh, Honest Taurus, welcome to chat. Yeah. I know, I saw you were posting about the real analysis game not too long ago as well. So yeah. yeah, I figured you would appreciate. So, yeah, simp. It's the only tactic any mathematician has, right? At the end of the day, that's all we can do. So what do we want to do? We want to choose C to be equal to 4. No, wait. How do I do basic combinatorics in my head? 42. Right. Okay. Use 42. Use 42. Uh-huh. Nice. The answer to the meaning of life and everything. And then we hit it up with a raffle, and we're done. No? Wait. Whoa. I went to... Oh, did we break into cases here? No, I needed to use a ring. I needed to use a ring NF. That's because it wasn't obviously true. Boom, and then probably I hit it up with a raffle, yeah. No, still not. Oh my god. Why did we break in the cases actually? I should actually be looking at the goal that we're trying to prove. I really wish that this rendered more nicely though. The left-hand side is not identifiable with the right-hand side? How is it not? What? These look exactly the same to me. Oh wait, here's a 42 and here's a 6. Okay, so something's up there. What do I ring NF it again or something? Or with, oh, I see. Or with 42 replaced. Yeah, I should have thought about it for half a second. I just copied pasted the 42. I should have thought about it for half a second. So what do I need to use? 6? How do I reboot this one? Because now I've used 42 and I don't want to do that. What do I do? Can I just restart? Refresh the page. Probably it's a U6. Whoa. Probably it's just U6. Oh no, it remembered my old things. It remembered my old things. Crashed. Go to editor mode and fix your proof. Wow, chat is definitely popping off. Where's the retry button? Let's see what you guys are yapping about in chat. There's too much. I can't keep up anymore. Doubly lazy, you're not explicit, and even drop a letter. Yeah. I literally just copied. They just wrote 42. They wrote 42 on the side, and so I just copied it. That's how I came up with 42. I didn't think at all. Not for a single second. Where's the retry button though? Okay, if I go to previous and then I go to next, will that reload? Oh, here we go. Oh, I can retry the first one. Okay, I think 6 was what I wanted, right? There we go. There we go. Yeah, it pays to think sometimes when you're trying to prove stuff. That's a lesson that we can all take home from today. Clicks retry teleports to first year undergrad. That would be dope, actually. I would love to go back in time and restart everything from the beginning. Yeah, shouts out to 6. Literally a perfect number. Yeah, that's what my streams are all about. Being confused about lack of context in my own stream. Yeah. Sad to be me. What's 6? You only know 5 union 5? Yeah. Well, should have played the natural number game first, I guess. What are objects formally? Sort of strange name choice. Huh? Shout out 57. Yeah, shout out 57 for real. 6, the best thing since 5. 6 is one of the best things since ever, to be honest. 57 is also my favorite prime as well. Yeah, okay, so we got to do intro epsilon. No. We're not allowed to do that. But look at the goal state now. Okay. Intro H epsilon. I see. Oh, so, okay, so Lean knows that if we put an H, that it's introducing the full hypothesis. Oh. Forgotten R. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Oh my god, because 7 has cold dead eyes, yeah. 12 is greater than 6? Prove it. You can only do into epsilon if epsilon is also into you. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. The real question of our time is it that or that? Which symbol? What's the better symbol and predicate? I like less than. I like less than. Is there a dishonest Taurus? That would maybe be a good gag, honest Taurus, for like a, I don't know, Halloween video or something. I guess Halloween's are like, that's a long way away. But you know, hit me up. I'll you know. I was speaking earlier about the benefit of Socratic dialogues and the idea of making a Socratic dialogue video. So, you know, I'll pretend to be the dishonest Taurus, and we can have a Socratic dialogue. I don't know. It could be something about like cryptography, like somehow I'm the eavesdropping person or something. I don't know. I'm just spitballing crazy ideas here. Okay, so what do? We got our hypothesis. Boom. We have our epsilon. And okay, we want to use We want intro epsilon positive in order to get the second hypothesis. Boom. And then I guess we can just hit this up with a raffle and be done. Those look the same. Nice. That was easy. What were we even proving? Oh, for all epsilon, this is true. Okay. Sure. Yeah, great. Nobody likes cryptography. Yeah. So anyways, my credit card number is... The video on Premiere seems cool. There's a Springer sale going on too. Damn, I should have... that wasn't even intentional. Maybe I should have had them... I should have reached out to get a sponsorship. I don't know if I'm big enough for a sponsorship from Springer quite yet. But, you know, I could ask them. I was looking into Wacom to get Wacom to sponsor me because I love their tablets. But it seems like they do have some like partnership program you can sign up for. But it seemed like it was only open to Americans, which is racist. So I'm very sad because I would love to shill Wacom's tablets for them. Less some is you like more because it's ordinal. Well, I like it just because it's like left to right. You know, it increases to the right. I don't know. That's my only thinking there. Wait, my value is named H epsilon? Is that true? No, I thought it was the hypothesis. Well, too late. We already left that. Springer monographs of crazy aura. Yeah. Yeah. Springer is quite controversial. Yes, but I like the German pronunciation of Springer. Also, I really like the fact that the knight in chess is called Springer for like jumper, right? Is that not correct? Really love it. Really love it. When did I get interested in math? That is so hard to say. Probably, I don't know, when I was in the womb. I think it was because my mom asked me a lot of questions when I was a kid. So she tells me that I would like have questions, and then she would always, before giving me the answer, she would say, "Well, what do you think about that?" And then I think that got me thinking, and that made me curious, and then eventually got me into like physics and math. So hard to say when the definitive moment was. Raycon got tablets. Oh, maybe I should hit them up for that. Wow, American modulo some moose. Well, then don't collapse the equivalence classes, Boris. Don't collapse the equivalence classes. Springer is knight in Danish too. Hell yeah. It's crazy we've gone all this time and we still don't know how the knight moves. Yeah. You're supposed to trip up the K theorist. Yes, that's the goal. Try and take me down. You can't. Okay, let's see. Anyways, we have T, we have F. Our assumptions is that T is positive, and we have the hypothesis HF that for all x greater than 0, f of x is equal to x squared. Okay. And we have to prove that the function evaluated at T is T squared. Interesting. Right, so we have specialize. Okay, so we say specialize our hypothesis. No, wait, shouldn't be we HF? Oh, right, because we're specializing the hypothesis because it says for all, so we're telling it to put in a variable T. Okay. Okay. So what, we hit intro HF? Somehow we have to hit intro HF. Yeah. Okay, so we hit intro. Why does it know, if I just hit intro though, why does it know to... Okay, it didn't know. Oh, sorry. I misspelled something? Okay, that didn't work. We specialize the statement. Just like we had to intro. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So that makes sense. I need to hit intro H. Nope, that didn't work either. Okay. This transforms HF just like we had to intro multiple times. So, oh, I want to intro T pause. What am I doing? Oh, we can specialize multiple times. Oh, right. I want to insert T pause into there. Okay, that makes sense. Pays to read the document. I thought I could do it all on my own, but I can't. I need to train harder and be stronger and get smarter. And now can't I apply? Can't I just write apply HF? Isn't that what it wants? Why does it want me to write that? Why can't I write apply HF? Oh, I can. Okay. I can. Bro has spent 1 hour on stream and only done 7 levels. Yeah. Have I spent an hour? No, it hasn't been that long already. It's been 34 minutes. It's been 34 minutes. Yeah. Canadians in general, except some Quebecois, First Nations, and Métis are Americans. I can't believe this. Guess what? Okay, that's it. That's it. We're going. You get a 1 minute timeout. Boom. It's time to smash the ban hammer down on you all. Uh, what else we got going here? Nice hint, Leo. It's too bad I wasn't paying attention to chat. To answer your earlier questions, objects here are just names given to terms of a type. So objects are even more restricted than terms. Well, I don't know all about that. Lean on me, but it's a lean parody drop when? Wow. I'm going to write that down. I'm going to write that down, actually. I actually have ideas for a couple parody songs. Oh, I forgot one of them. Damn, I had a really good one not that long ago. I think I wrote it down somewhere and I forgot it. I brought the p-adic hat back because I saw there was a question. Where does one get a p-adic hack like mine? In the description of this video. If you want to do a casual read on stream, there's a paper, Zermello and the Early History of Game Theory. It's basically about chess. That is interesting. Well, we're doing the lean stream for a while. We're going to do the lean stream for a while, but eventually that would be a good one to come to. Yeah. Surprise music stream? Yeah. His most productive stream in 2 weeks. Yeah. What's the stream about? The stream is about Lean 4, exactly, as Locke said. Yeah. Music Theory Tree is just your alt for shilling merch. I mean, may as well be. I do know Music Theory Tree in IRL. By the way, Music Theory Tree, if you're still listening, are you free Saturday? We could maybe chat on Saturday, actually. Yeah. So, where were we here? Objects. Okay, so let's see. I want to see if I can do this without reading the sideboard. Probably not. Oh no. Okay, too late. I read the sideboard and I saw that there's the word choose. So, too bad for me. Okay. So we did use before, and that's what I was thinking about using. You know that you if you have their if you have their exist goal, you can write use to provide a specific value. But suppose you have a hypothesis of this form in lean. This looks like this, and so you want to prove this. Again, you can't just say apply H because these are different statements. Okay. Okay, so choose C. That makes sense, but why HC? So I guess that's creating a new hypothesis, which will just be the statement that FC equals 2. Right. Okay. It's a little weird the way that's phrased, but to me it's a little weird, but okay. Yeah. What would I say is the best book to improve on writing proofs? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think there is any such thing. I wouldn't I wouldn't yeah, I wouldn't say that there's one book that would help you that's the best for improving on writing proofs. I mean, yeah, I think, to be honest, like, okay, maybe some people have an intro to proofs course and you do that first to learn how to write proofs. But beyond that, the way that you get better at proofs is you just write lots of proofs and you read lots of proofs in different contexts. that's the way that you get better at writing proofs, is you just do it a lot. And I don't think it's all that worthwhile to study specifically that, like study subjects you're interested in and read lots of proofs and write lots of proofs and get feedback on your proofs, like, from homework assignments and stuff. Yeah. Okay, so now that we have C, what? Could I just use C? Okay. That brought us closer to the truth. Now, I wonder if I apply HC, if that will make a substitution here. No. Okay. Apply HC. You need to give a name, both a value of C and to the hypothesis, which C is bounded. Yeah, I have that. I could rewrite. What was it? Rewrite. How do I rewrite? Using HC, something like that. Rewrite. Rewrite HC, something like that. Okay. Okay, there we go. That did it. And then now let's do a ring NF. Yeah, because we haven't been told the simp yet. Okay. That works. That works. Exam in 2 days. Still do not get Markov chains. Could I possibly help you with that? Probably not, to be honest. Probably not. I do offer tutoring services, and so, if you're willing to pay me money to be your tutor, then I would go spend the time to reteach myself Markov chains and then teach you. That's a possibility. You're here Saturday afternoon. Okay. Yeah, you'll never beat the allegations, music theory tree. But yeah, okay, Saturday afternoon. That should work. Like what time? 1 p.m. or something? Let me just check my calendar. Or put it in my calendar. You don't get what's so lean about the stream? He's not even doing calisthenics. There's not quite enough room to do burpees here. There you go. I did some calisthenics. Be happy. Square both sides on HC? Yeah, but I don't think there's a tactic that... Yeah, rewrite HC, yeah. K-Theory's current arc was def triggered by your quantifier pilled video. Sure, I'll just give you full credit. If you have a family of matrices, M lambda, what does the lambda have to do with this? A family of matrices M lambda with periodicity like M to the N equals I. How does that appear in topological K-theory? I have no idea. You're walking on the street when someone noticed your p-adic hat and everyone started for your autograph and stuff. Nice. Yeah. Mikal is my other alt shill account. You'll do 10 push-ups in solidarity. Awesome. Well, I'm gonna do some pull day exercises actually. Probably right after this. Actually, I'll go hit the gym. Just do a light workout today. Anywho, what time are we at here? 45 minutes. Yeah. Well, let's wrap up. Big Boss Ultimate Tactic Challenge. Let's finish this and wrap it up. Okay, what are we trying to prove? There exists a B such that for all Y this is true. Okay. So hang on. We have a function f. And f has the property that f of x plus 1. Okay, I gotta like write this out actually. I gotta write this out. So f has the property that f at x plus 1 is f at x plus 9. So f of x plus 1 is equal to f of x plus 9. And what are we trying to prove? We're trying to prove that for all b, there exists a y. No, other way around. There exists a b. There exists a b such that for all y. And what are our other... We do have another assumption here, right? That there exists an a such that f at a is 3. And so what is it? For there exists a b so that for all y greater than 0, f at y plus 1 squared. Why am I writing it out? The assumption literally spells out the property. Because your brain is just so big, Locke, and mine is very, very tiny. It's very small, and I can't think that good. Fy plus fb squared, such that this is equal to f at y plus f at b squared. Yeah. Yeah, this isn't obvious to me. Why is this true? Well, my y's and b's look the same. Yeah. There's a B? There is a B. You understand the browser formatting needs some getting used to over your own writing. Yeah, I don't know. I still compile often and just read the PDF. Like, I don't know. My brain's still not used to it, even after a million years. Yeah. So we need to choose the B such that this is true for all y. I guess the B we choose is 1? No, what am I talking about? Well, let's see. Because we have, what? F at y plus 1 squared is, what's our assumption? It is going to be f at y plus 9 squared, right? And what? So we want, this is, no, it's not. It's not supposed to be that. Wait, what? Did I write something down? Did I write something wrong? Oh, it's f at y plus 1 inside the brackets? Oh, I see. Really? That's hard to parse, actually. That's hard to parse. Is not clear for me from the way that this is written that that's the way it's supposed to be. Uh, no, you were wrong? Oh, man. You guys are winning at the game of trying to confuse me. Uh, you were working with fourth year student the other week, and he didn't know what you meant when you say set minus in spoken language. Hmm. Oh, really? I've never used slash set minus, to be honest. Um, yeah. The highlighted part tells you what's grouped together. Wait, really? Uh, hang on. Yeah, so that looks like f at y plus 1 squared. Double backslash? Is that, can you use that? Really? Can you use double backslash? No way that works. Wait, does that work? Hang on. Or did you just program your own command and forgot that that's your own command? Wait, did this compile? Well, that didn't work. Yeah, that just made spaces. What are you talking about? Set minus was not meant to be used? Yeah, I agree. You just use plain text minus? No, that's gross. Plain text minus is absurd behavior. I think in some documents, yeah, I guess I haven't done it in this PDF, but I have slash BS. I have bullshit as my shorthand for backslash. That's what I use. And if you disagree with me, you're bad and wrong. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Lemma 3.1 content, truly a lemma. Yeah. 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 So, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Right. Okay. So I think I'm right. I think I'm right about this. And so the point is that we want to prove that there exists a B, essentially. This reduce the proof that there exists a B such that f at B is equal to 9, right? And we do know that there's, wait a second. Hmm. There's an f at A that's equal to 3. Point undermined by saying sorry, not sorry in Canadian font. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm on it. I expect backslash looks much worse than set minus when rendered. Let's take a look. I don't think I'm going to finish this problem today. I think I'll think about it on my own after we end stream. Because let's be real, life is hard on stream. Let's take a look. Let's have a look-see here at the difference between these. I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. They're not that different. And to be honest, if anything, I kind of like backslash more. It looks like this is taking up more space. Mind you, I guess inside some complicated formulas, I guess gives it more room to breathe. Yeah, I guess if set minus is a preset command, then you should use it. That's good. Um, that's good practice, is to use the built-in commands for stuff. So, yeah. Just wondering if there's a general course in MC. Oh, Markov chains. I see. Yeah. You checked. Looks the same. Well, they are slightly different. They are slightly different, as we just saw. We literally have an assumption saying that there exists an A such that f of A is 3. Oh, it's a squared inside. Yes. Okay, right. Exactly. So we do want to take A equals to B. Okay. Okay. What is this? Some sort of game? Yes, it is the analysis game. It is the analysis game. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, Leo. It's not that bad, actually. In fact, it's good. And in fact, yeah, set minus is good, actually. You know what else is good, actually? Symmetric difference. You know what else is good, actually? Using delta for symmetric difference. Okay, where are we here? H existential. Okay, there exists an A such that A is equal to 3. Right. So because I spent so much time talking, I forgot. I forgot. Let's go back. Can we go back some of these? Oh, we have the whole thing here. So, yeah, how do I want to choose, I want to instantiate an A. How did we do that in previous levels? How did we do that? It takes a while to load. Use C, right. So choose C, choose thing, call this a new hypothesis using hypothesis. Okay. So I want to do choose A, HA, using H existential. Did that make a spelling error? Almost certainly, right? Oh. Space. Literally never seen symmetric difference pop up. Well, your life lacks adventure and flavor. Then New Year's resolution will be nicer to lock. That's a good resolution. That's a good resolution. To be honest, symmetric difference is fringe? Absolutely not. Yeah, I disagree. Okay, maybe it is a little fringe, but yeah. Yeah. It may have been a better idea to start with natural number game. Nah, that's boring. I've done it. I beat that a million years ago. You know, when it first came out, I did it. You know, and so we gotta do new stuff now. Yeah. Okay. So we have our A. Now I'm tempted to just use A for our B, right? But then also somehow, I guess we need to somehow make use of our universal statement. But I could still use A, right? Can't I just pop in a use A to change the goal? Yes, I can do that. And could I even apply HA in order to turn that into a 9? No. Apparently I can't do that yet. But why can't I do that to substitute in Oh, maybe I need to I need to like intro that somehow. I need to intro that somehow. That didn't really do much. That didn't really do much. Have I speed run it through? What are my splits? No, I've never speed run it through. Choose a HA using H existential. When you realize you could perish at any moment. I don't know if you're making a suggestion for me or if you're just making a joke. Insert 3 letters category for it. What? Good morning, Ken. And goodbye. I think it's about time to leave. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this problem. I gotta go work on things I'm supposed to work on. You know what I mean. I want to graduate. When have you ever been hellbound? Good question, Leo. We should all leave the stream and ask ourselves that. Why did you delete your game suggestion, Nikolai? It's not a bad game, right? Weren't we talking about this game before? Okay. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna turn this. Wow, no, I should solve it on stream. I should think out loud on stream. Okay. I was saying I was gonna think about it after, but no, I shouldn't. So, what did we just do? Yeah, it's so hard to learn when I'm not just sitting down and doing this, and I'm distracted by chat. Let me go back to. Let's see the levels when we did specialize. Specialize. That was the tactic that we wanted, right? So we specialized that using some variable. Right. Okay, so let's go back. So what do I really want to do? Should I have called this intro HY to get the assumption y is greater than 0? Right. And then specialize H universal using HY? Is that how it was written? No, I wrote it wrong. How do I write it? I forgot. I gotta go back again. Too much YouTube shorts, no short-term memory. Specialize. Okay. So, it's just specialize the statement, and then I put the variable or whatever using the other statement. So specialize. I did say why I'm learning lean, Nikolai. I told you there's 2 reasons. 1, it was voted for by people. 2, it's the future of mathematics. So I could just drop the using, right? That's all I need to do here. Boom. No. But now I'm confused. It didn't give me an error message. Oh, unexpected token using. Wait, but then I did. Wait, what? But that's what I tried before, and then I didn't like it. Oh, wait, or did it work before? God, now I'm confused. Why did it allow that but do nothing? Yeah, I don't know. Now I'm confused. Maybe if I try it again. Wait, retry? Yeah, that's weird. Oh, wait, did this change? Huh? Did this change? No. What? Now I'm confused. I don't know. Okay, what if I just use a ring and F to expand stuff? No, also nothing happens. What? Did I break something? Oh god. You'd want to know lean 2, but if you don't know it till now, why now? Real use in sight for you? Well, why learn? I mean, why? I don't know. If you don't know how to tie your shoes now, why would you learn to tie your shoes now? I mean, I don't know if I understand the question. I did break it. Okay, so that's what we're going to. That's where we're going to leave it. Have I tried adjusting the proportions of your egg wash to make your croissants brown better? I will go try that. Nothing ever happens, Mikhail said. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna leave it here. I guess I'll come back tomorrow and maybe restart the server and see if it works. So QE